morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another week on the stream. It is, well, where's the date? It is August 8th. We are back. My camera has zoomed out on its own, just like normal. Just a regular day in the office, baby. So let's fix this. Bada bing, bada boom. There we go. Got my Powerade. This sip's for you, Discipline. Let me start the music up. Everybody ready for this week? I am. After last week, I am ready for this week. Let's get it rolling. What's up, Gold Miner? Jordan, good morning, good morning. I don't know what we're getting into yet. We'll see. What's up, AC? Got burned on news over the weekend. Bought on there canceling an offering. Friday postmark. I only have them dump an offering. Ew. That's like worst case scenario. Oh my gosh. Sorry about that, Gold Miner. Hate to hear that.
SILV.
There we go. So this music's way too low. There we go. This is the jam too. I think we got to restart it, actually. Gerard, good morning. Discipline, Potsy. A few months ago, it was SLS. They had a good earnings. I bought in on them, and I was like, okay, this thing's decent. Looks like it might run. And then they literally offered like 2 minutes later. Wreck me.
HLBZ. KT.
Absolutely freaking wrecked me. So it looks like we got 163% runner and 100% runner. Yo, Discipline. Before I could even officially announce it, join the inner circle. So, you are the first to join the exclusive inner circle. So the channel memberships are here, guys. Let me go over them. Look at that. Look at that. Hey, morning, Chris. So, you guys see a join button now. That is the channel memberships to the channel. Not necessary, but it does support the channel, and I appreciate it. So here's what you get with joining the channel. And I will say, if you want to join, don't join through the YouTube app on iOS, because they charge you extra through Apple just so Apple gets their piece of the pie. It's $4.99 everywhere else. But if you join through Apple, I think it's like $6.99 or something, just so Apple gets their cut. So first of all, you get a badge next to your name. Starts out white, 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, and then after a year, you get my emblem. I'm gonna drink this whole Powerade. I'm so excited. And then after that, my emblem. Dr. Pepper, Powerade, and then my emoji. Now, I can only add 4 right now. I add more as we get more members. I think I needed 2 members to add more emojis, so we'll get to that eventually. Hold on. This early access to new videos. So I'm gonna post to members my lesson videos just like maybe 20-30 minutes early, maybe 10 minutes early, but I'll post it early to the members. Of course, you get the shout out on stream when you join. I can switch it to members only chat. So literally, if I switched it right now, Discipline will be talking to himself. But I can switch it to that, especially if the channel grows really big. You guys can talk just on your own as members. And of course, priority reply to comments. I'll try to reply to all comments, but you guys absolutely be first. But that's our new channel membership. I think it's cool that I spent a little time trying to get this changed over, but I recolored my logo to all these different levels, and I'm gonna have to make another one after 12 months, but that's way in the future. But yeah, that is our channel membership. I thought the inner circle sounded like a pretty cool name. Sounds kind of stock market finance related.
GMBL.
Hey, what's up, Snacks? What's up, Chris?
ZTR.
I'm liking that Powerade emoji. Discipline. Whoops.
LABU.
There we go. And now we're in it. We're ready. For some reason, I had a feeling that you would be the first, Discipline. And there we go. You're the man. There we go. And the Dr. Pepper, baby. Hey, Davin, good morning. Good morning.
CLNE.
What's up, Simon? Everybody's trickling in this morning. I love it. So, top gainer. I think that one's from Friday. BNSO. BNSO up 165%. I remember that from back in the day. I think that's a Hong Kong one. So another one up on no news. As per usual. Wow. And it's up a lot on no news. This is a little too loud. I feel like I'm screaming. There we go. But anywho, so looks like this started going a little bit of a pump sesh 1 p.m. on Friday. Halted up, continued up through after hours. Now it's all the way to $13. This was at $3 Friday at 120. Simon, once I go to the top gainers, I'm going to talk about Bitcoin for a second. Oh my gosh, I'm so upset.
Riot.
I had a position last night on futures on MEXC. And in the same breath, I will say MEXC is our stream sponsor. I appreciate to those guys. You can find our landing page underneath in the description for MEXC Global. MEGL is that IPO from Friday. So it went from, it opened at 50, went to like $200. Now it's still hanging around $200. HLBZ up actually. So HLBZ up, I'm guessing that had some kind of PR where they partnered with someone. Let's see. No. HLBZ finally moving, and it's on no PR at all. Cool. Bed Bath & Beyond continues its run. Wow.
WKHS.
What a push. AMC was at like $25 now. Almost. AMC on a ramp. SPY up to 415.86 this morning. Everything's looking okay. Let's hope it's not, doesn't get too far ahead, you know. That's we have an easy fall back down. That's not what we want to see. Okay, I don't know what that is. So let's flip it to Bitcoin. Let me show you guys.
BWEN Sophie.
So I had last night before I went to bed, I was like, this looks okay. This really looks okay. I had it right here, 23.2. And then I saw this huge spike and I was like, okay, I'm scaling some. So I scaled some near 23.3. I think I scaled like 75% out just because Bitcoin had been doing this up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And then I set my stop for 23.250 and went to sleep. We dropped to 23.246. That's exactly where I got filled too. That wick right there is my stop loss. Bounce back up. Bounce back up. Didn't hit it again. All the way to 24.2. And I was in with margin. I'd sold 75% just because I was going to bed, but I had a, look at the volume too. This is insane volume. I had, I think it was like a $600 position which is for a $27 account, it's a lot.
IRN.
No, it's all good. It's a nice teachable moment. What is going on here? Why does the volume look like that? What the hell? Why does the volume look insanely huge all of a sudden? Yeah, get out of here. But yeah, pretty much, I'm gonna have to refresh this page. Something weird just happened. What is going on?
Ice.
Guys, what happened? I think I broke it. Okay, I don't want to see volume on this axis. I don't know why it's doing that. Anywho, we can get off Bitcoin, but literally it bottom ticked me over here. Literally my stop loss filled at let me see if I can see that order. Here we go. Market sell filled 23,246.3. And that was where was that at?
AREC.
Right here. 23,246.3. Look at right here on the side of the screen. That's exactly where I filled. That's so frustrating. It is what it is though. I had the right level. I just it came down and kind of rated out, to be honest.
KKT.
Yeah, oh well.
CHAA.
We will live. So, not gonna get into anything crazy this morning yet.
UBX.
It's a new week. We can't just assume this week's gonna be the same as last week. Gotta see what plays out. Gotta see what news comes out. Gotta see how the follow through is, etc. So,
GRFS.
okay, too much dubstep. So far, I mean, things are holding up to some degree. I haven't seen anything though with actual news. It's up. I'm guessing the miners are way up too. Mara is probably $15, $15.50. Tomorrow up. Ride up.
OPTT. WKHS.
This volume slider is ridiculous on this website.
LABU.
It's the tiniest volume slider ever. I feel like I'm fighting it every day.
SDC.
Yeah, for real. Bitcoin pulled the 2022 move. It's insane.
MVST. IBDA. WEVL.
Oh my God. We're just leaving it right there.
ARDX. TMF. HLBZ. PXS.
So is anything up with news today? I know things are up for a reason. Like the market's up, so that's why, like, I guess AMC, Bed Bath & Beyond, GameStop continuing. Mara Riot's up because Bitcoin's up.
SRTS. MTTR.
SIGA, where's that at today? 24 almost. APDN still hanging around. Hey, what's up?
BNSO.
Good morning, Blas. NSO pushing a little. $12.95. Remember, this one has no reason to be up. It's just a Hong Kong push. This one used to run with China's back in the day. See what the float is now.
CLNE.
1.14 million. So this was just a load on Friday, and it just keeps going.
FAMI.
I literally just got a RuneScape ad on Finviz.
GOGL.
That is epic. No, I have no idea why Redbox halted. I guess because, I mean, Bed Bath & Beyond, AMC, GME was going crazy, but they're not really like that closely connected as meme stocks.
HLBZ. VRM.
No. Yeah, so this is the lowest float Hong Kong, that's why.
Poly.
Um,
PXS.
CLWT used to be one that would run too. IMT, you guys remember that? Ran to like $30.
KPRX. IONM.
Getting some different music this morning.
HLBZ. GRNQ.
TMC announces conference call them in. I know that was running the other day. HLBZ. Yeah, this had news on July 27th. That's it. That was the last time. Anyone know why this is up 52%?
GFI.
I don't see anything on Twitter either. Yeah, I don't see anything. I don't know. Huge insider buys? Like, as of recently? I don't see that on the... Heavy short interest? Yeah, that makes sense. And it's one that gets a PR all the time, so I think they short it every time.
ASTS.
Damn. No kidding, heavy short interest. 32%. A third of the damn float's short. That will do it. But that also means they're going to be aggressive every time it tries to move until it really breaks loose. iLag still hanging around. This one really needs to stay over 4. July 20th, okay. CEO bought an extra
GLBS.
327.
Hola.
Yeah, I see that, okay. Yep, there you go. They passed that clean energy thing over the weekend, right? The Inflation Reduction Act that has nothing to do with inflation, and it's just the Green New Deal. That's what I'm getting out of it. That's what it looks like. What is that? I scratched myself in the face. Sun W up 10%. Tan, where's that at? 2.63%. All right, this is not hitting it for me. I mean, that's pretty much what it is, right? From what I'm reading out of it. Inflation Reduction Act has nothing to do with inflation. Green New Deal. Like, what does this have to do with inflation? Absolutely nothing.
PBR.
What's that? PR this morning, $3 million.
CCL.
Nice chart. Well, not nice chart, but nice room on the chart. That'd be one to keep on the back burner, I guess. $3 million contract's not really huge for a stock that's listed on the NASDAQ, but whatever. PXS up 17%. I really hope we don't get in a market where everything runs and then we all die off again. I'm going to step away for just a second. I'll be right back.
VLON. DTIL. ATRA. CLNE. VRM. VVPR.
All right. What's up, Steven? Good morning. Welcome in. PXS, why are you hitting?
GFI.
I don't know. I'm more interested in IVDA, to be honest with you. I heard VVPR hitting the scanner while I was gone. That's a solar one. I don't even know why it hit the scanner. It's not moving.
Poly.
Pola, I'm getting walked up this morning. That's a recent big runner on clean energy. Actually got an interesting daily setup too. Look at this.
SOBR.
It's too thin right now, but this thing ran to 30 back at the beginning of 2021 when all the clean energy was going nuts.
UBX.
It's actually like right underneath the 200 at 350. And if we watched last night's video, what are we seeing here? A little bit of an ascending triangle on the daily.
WBL.
And the longer the time frame of the setup of the pattern is, the bigger the breakout usually is. The longer the breakout usually is. So it's worth watching. Volume confirmation is what it needs, though. BNSO, nice 5-minute flag. Okay, let's pull it back up. It was at like $12, $13 a minute ago.
PXS.
Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys about the memberships. YouTube does have, just like Twitch, gifted memberships too. So if you guys do get one, they can be gifted as well. I wish they took the ads away from YouTube. They do from Twitch. It's the only better thing about Twitch is they take the ads away from the channel when you subscribe over there on Twitch.
BLDP.
The purple platform. Yeah, this is a little 5-minute flag. I don't know why I have this ugly looking candle here. IVDA.
EFTR.
Put BNSO down here.
FUBO.
Peloton pre-market highs? Imagine that. What kind of world we living in with Peloton at pre-market highs? Peloton ripping. Ripped all day on Friday.
SPXU.
But look at the daily. I mean, 130 to $10 for good reason. I mean, their whole business model is kind of broken right now. Here's 8:30 news coming out.
Ultra A. TOMZ.
TOMZ monkeypox news. Steramist provides protection against monkeypox. Oh my gosh. It's already up 75%. So that was all algo slapping right there. Oh man, you can't chase this high. Maybe you can chase this high. 159.
Can.
Maybe not. So TOMZ, Steramist provides protection against monkeypox and other pathogens as world combats increasing frequent outbreaks. Should have bought more than 1,000 there. This 30K bidder dies, I'm out. Yep. See ya. Let me see if anything else had news. I was trying to read through the news and then TOMZ was just blowing up my ear. Mullins, little fluffy PR. Yeah, that's pretty much it. TBLT, distribution in Spain, enters a supply agreement with predominant hardware distributor as a hardware super cooperative. That's a mouthful. Yeah, TBLT up through 7, maybe.
AERC.
That one's a recent runner. That'd be the only reason that I would hit it. Yeah, I'm watching it here. Maybe I'll buy on the push to 7. Not 5,000 though. If it does push to 7, look at Peloton. Straight up ripping. That thing's full of shorts too, for good reason, but it's full of shorts. And I think they can cover now from 130 down to $10. I think that's a pretty safe cover.
WEBL.
TBLT not catching yet, actually. Got a little spike there, 80K volume, but I really don't want to be the first one to slap this. Not that I'm the first, but it doesn't really have much volume.
ZTR.
I'll try it. Risk that 6 to 80 level, I guess.
CCL.
Really want to see it blow through 7, though. If it doesn't catch, it doesn't catch. But it has the news, recent runner. I'm sure it's full of shorts now. So, just looking for it to get through 7. After 7, 740. 740 to 750. If it can get through. Trying to be patient with it here. Just get through 7. Look at the level 2. I mean, it's super thin.
SUNW.
Yeah, the only reason I'm taking this is because it's a recent runner. If it wouldn't have ran recently, I would not have even tried TBLT. But it's got range on the daily. It's got shorts in. So 740, 750's first target here. We're up to 719.
Sophie.
Got a pretty decent entry there. I was patient for it.
CTRN.
690. I'd rather not see this fall back under 7 at this point. I'm not sure exactly what the short percentage is now. Let me see what Canvas says. It doesn't say. But recent runner, so 724 here. Bids are stacking up now, so it's looking better.
TOMZ. Send.
My order's frozen. Love to see that. I'm trying to scale off like just a little bit.
EVGO.
Okay. Well, I'm completely frozen. That's fun. It'll either show filled or show canceled here in about 20 seconds. Actually, that's probably me right there. Threw me on the ask. It waited till all the bids were shredded and then threw me on the ask. Oh, actually, I sold 3 shares. Guys.
TTCF bot.
Why will you not cancel?
TOMZ.
It's just going to leave me there until I get bought up, I guess. No, there it went. Now canceled. Jeez. Trade station. Chill out with the great fields, bro. Surely that's not it, huh? We're going to go 20 cents and stop? That's why I was scaling a little bit, but I don't want to see straight up, straight down. Trade station has its moments. I love the platform. Platform's great. The broker, as you see, just randomly does terrible things. Gives me terrible slippage. It opens at 8. Sometimes I get frozen orders. So, best way I can put it, the platform is the best I've ever seen. By far, top tier, best platform. The broker, not too good. Not too good. The execution, stuff like that. Yeah, I'm trying to be patient with this discipline.
GRBI.
But I don't know. I'm not giving up this $800 gain that I've got in Premarket. I know that. Okay, I scaled a little there. Oh, there we go. Buyer brought that up. They need it back up through 719, but I've now scaled out 1,000. It had 3,500. So here's an ask. Here's a little bit bigger ask, but needs more volume. Very low volume. It's only 89K on this 5 minute. Yeah, I had toss before. I'm so used to TradeStation now. Well, are you going to buy through the wall or not? It's not crashing, which is great. Yeah, Toss doesn't like me, that's for sure, and I don't know why. They never told me. Okay, here we go. 723, getting eaten a little bit. Now we're up to 122K on this 5 minute, so it's slow this morning, but at least we got positive buying pressure here. I want to see it push up through here, straight to 730. There we go, hit the scanner. Guess I should have been patient with my whole position, but it's all good. I would probably go back to toss if they'd let me. They kicked my account off years ago, and it just said we've decided to terminate our business relationship with you. This was like 2018, and I have no idea why. And they won't tell you. It's against their policy to tell you why.
RDFN.
So I tried to E-Trade after that, and then I switched to TradeStation. Oh man. I switched to TradeStation when commission was still a thing, and TradeStation was giving commission-free trades for law enforcement and military at the time. Not too much pumping. I was trading like penny stocks. I think that was the problem. They didn't like me trading the cheap, like 20, 30 cent stocks, kind of like what you trade. Well, TBLT is getting smashed now. At least I sold some. Yeah, I don't know what it was. It was the cheap pennies that I was buying positions and selling them out. They said it was something to do with that. I'm pretty sure. But yeah, I switched to TradeStation and just got used to the platform. Then everything went commission free, but I just stayed here. Making too much money, is that what it was? Probably. Yeah, I don't know what was up with that. I really don't know.
ALR.
But they've kicked off a lot of people that, and they won't give any reason at all. They don't like risk, I think. So if you're putting too much of your account into trades or like risking too much on low flows and stuff like that, they will terminate their business relationship with you. Actually, add it back in some right there. I'm only going to risk 7 though for the whole position.
MTTR.
It did hold 7 pretty good, so. Well, now it might get smashed. But I waited for the optimal position to double down, or not really double down, but add back into my core. And if it falls through, it falls through.
TOMZ.
Shorts are trying right now, though. I'm guessing it's not SSR today. Or it might be. No. I don't think so. I'd have to look, but the chart doesn't really look like it. I'm beginning to question these orders, though. It does not want to instant fill me out. Okay, never mind. They're buying it back up through now. Very low volume, though, for TBLT.
TOMZ.
I'm done with it. Made an okay amount. Don't like how it's acting. Don't like how it's acting.
VRM. SRTS.
Anything else moving right now? I see Tom's is still screwing around the same exact level. Siga's trying to break through 24. BNSO. Not really doing anything.
ALPP.
Yeah, GovX is pushing too. Siga and GovX both.
PXS. PXS.
It's nice to see we still got a little bit of action this morning. It's not completely dead after, you know, a week of decent moves. A little bit of follow through is all we need. We don't need 300% runners every day. We do not. Not necessary at all. I recklessly bought 1,000 shares of Siga on the 24 break. It could have easily got wrecked on me. But it's pushing now. Yeah, if that would have refreshed at 24 and smashed down, I'd have lost 40, 50 cents. But it's trying to push through now. It needs through 24.50. GovX is pushing high day right now too. Yeah. Pre-market highs, I mean.
CTRM. Hola.
Refresh. I don't know where I said that specifically. Right. Oh yeah, just right here. So refresh means, so let's say that this is a 5K wall right here, and you see all those asks getting eaten and eaten and eaten, and it just keeps getting added to and added to and added to. So it doesn't really break through. It's like the shorts are adding to their wall, and it's just a wall that just keeps cycling. It can happen on the bid side too. So say you see selling on the bid, and there's like a 3K bid, and it just keeps getting hit like thousands and thousands and thousands of shares, but not getting, this is ripping right now, but not getting destroyed, then that's like a refresh positive. Okay.
ASTS.
Is this thing gonna blow the lid off in pre-market? So yeah, it's just a hidden, usually a hidden ask or bid. And you'll see like it getting hit and it not actually breaking through. Because bids and asks are not always what they appear to be.
LABU. BLDP.
Man, I should have sold half there. I was waiting to see if it really blew the lid off.
CYCC.
You saw I had my finger on the trigger though. So GovX 343, 344 right now, pushing pretty nicely. Siga with the big upper wick though. I'm gonna be mad if that was the top. and I didn't scale some out. I was trying to be patient on it, and they just wiped the bids.
Can.
Yeah, look at this candle. It's red now.
TCF.
My gosh.
SNT.
Freaking Sega.
BNSO.
I should have been the one that smashed the bid, not waited for somebody else to smash it, because they smashed it. I was trying to let it breathe. New 5K ask right here. That is lame. So this is an example of what not to do on a trade, especially in pre-market. I had my finger on the trigger to sell half, and I didn't. It may recover, but I was up 750 bucks up there. Okay, we're recovering a little bit now. The spread's just so much. People don't want to buy 24.50 when their immediate risk is down 20 cents.
Blue. NERVTEK.
Yeah, no problem, this one. Thank you for being the first member. The inner circle. Appreciate it. Hopefully you'll get some people to join you before too long.
Dave.
Blue Power A, baby. So, we got about 10 minutes till the 9 a.m. volume. What's that, Berkey? It literally tried to hide that message. I had to hit show because you said the word kills. I hope everybody kills it today, too. I hope it's a fantastic day.
TNXP.
I'm very annoyed that I didn't sell this higher, though. Ended up selling this for nothing. Lame. It's holding this level. I got no reason to really sell out now. But the fact that I was up almost $1 per share and didn't scale any is stupid.
FCEL.
Gavek's still hanging around too.
BWEN.
Keep forgetting to order some tank tops. Yeah, they're there. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, I should be able to link that to the YouTube page soon. And it will show like the items underneath the page while we're live. I can't link it yet, I don't know why, it's taking some time. Keep pets on watch today, it's APRM, okay, for sure.
CTRM.
I hope this thing pushes back up some. Appreciate the likes, guys, the comments, hanging out, just being here. Put me on the background, I don't care. Appreciate the support.
CCL.
Maybe I'll go crack a Dr. Pepper early this morning. The thing about a good Monday morning pre-market is it usually is a little bit slower to open. And it tends to fake out.
TOMZ.
All right, you convinced me. I'm just going to hope that Sega doesn't have an offering while I walk away.
FTEK. CUK. VS. BNSO. Hood. Open. Sends. Yell.
We got it.
ENVX, TTCF.
Sick is still hanging around. It's not dead yet. I was really dumb though for not selling that. Pineapple strawberry pre-gym is my morning drink. Third scoop. Just for like trading? What is that? Just is that just focus? Or has that got like beta alanine in it too? So you're sitting there scratching yourself.
NVTA.
WETG, yeah, I don't know why I didn't get that. Monkeypox test kits. Looks like. Why did I not get that? Bo has beta alanine in it. Oh my gosh. Hey, what's up, Scott? Kerrs Lake. Good morning.
Blue.
Monkeypox.
AUY.
What price is WETG? Maybe that's why I didn't get it. Oh yeah, my scanner's set 1 to 20 or 0 to 20. That's why.
Hola.
That's why.
SPRC. HLBZ.
BBBY, some spill.
SPRCC.
BBBY's been going nuts, so yeah, I guess it's cooling off a little bit into open. GovX testing highs here. Hopefully SIGA continues on. Look how the volume's just fading though. Where did it all go? Got that huge. Oh my god.
HLBZ.
Got that huge volume push up to 25 and then just slowed it down completely. Oh, here we go. Needs through this guy, obviously. Watch me be super greedy again and not sell any up here. Watch it happen. I want you guys to watch it happen live. It's one of those things like, okay, I don't want to sell down here because it was just a 2480. And then when you get back to 2480, you don't want to sell here. You held through this whole thing. Might as well hold it 25. It's just that mentality thing. You need to scale. But I had an okay trade on TBLT, so that's why I'm kind of just riding this thing for a second at least. I'll scale my half if we start hitting 2450. Okay, how about that?
AGRX.
But I got a 65-cent buffer here. Bids are coming in. Bid, small bid.
BX.
Needs through that 15K ask.
BFLY.
That's all we need. GovX did not hit pre-market highs. It tested it. Got close. Coming up on 9 a.m. too. I hate trading through 9 a.m. You know what? I'm going to take off half just because 9 a.m. is coming up. And then if we get a 9 a.m. flush to 24, I've already locked in half. I'm good to go. How about that? That's fair. That's fair. Hello, I use BidNAS to trade. What does $17.7 mean? Does that mean 17 shares or 170 shares or 1,700 shares, 70,000 shares?
SRNE.
On TBLT?
APRN. NDR.
If you're using toss, it's usually 1700. So 17 means 1700. See, like right there, it shows the full number for TradeStation. But if you're using like TD, I think it shows like a 17 for 1700.
CCL.
Yeah, no problem. Apron does like to run with the market. Yeah, it's doing something in pre-market, that's for sure.
Riot.
Yeah, we'll keep a watch on that for sure, Gold Miner. I don't know why it's pushing, but I think it's somewhat highly short too. I'd like to report Berkey for pumping AMC. He's the resident ape today, okay? No problem with that.
TOMZ.
Gotta go back and watch my SIGA trade here. Earnings today after hours or just had earnings? I know it's definitely high short interest.
AHPI.
This morning? Okay. Yeah, we'll definitely watch it.
HLBZ. AVX.
GovX pulling back a little bit. I would not be surprised if this pulls back into 9 a.m. Just don't have an offering, please. I don't want to miss my sales.
NUWE.
15 seconds.
ALR.
Annie with the PR.
WEBR.
Nothing I see specifically that looks big.
AEI. TOMZ. 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 TOMZ.
Annie might get some action today. Just because they're talking about they produced 12.78 Bitcoin. Bitcoin's up today. Yada, yada, yada. Hasn't ran in a while.
SUNW.
Is Mara still way up today? Yeah, Mara's up 8%. Annie will be one on watch today for sure. Gold Miner, welcome to the inner circle. Thank you, appreciate it. My man. Enjoy those emotes. Enjoy that new green name. I have an option for posting the video early, so I will be posting like the lesson videos to you guys just a little bit earlier so you guys can watch it before the public. Really appreciate it. That's 2. All right, SIGA still hanging on here. Still hanging on. Really don't want to sell this for nothing. Hey, appreciate it.
ETF.
Thank you. Wouldn't be doing this without all your guys' support. I'd just be here streaming to myself, and that wouldn't be worth anything. So I'm only doing this because of you guys, so I really appreciate it.
IVDA.
Come on, push back up here, SIGA. Where's GovX at now? Whoops. What's going on? There we go. Yeah, GovX is pulling back. I'm just going to take my position out. Oh, well, no reason to just sit here and hold it, you know? And hope. It could pop, sure. HLBZ said it was at pre-market highs. Let's look. Yeah, it's a little flagging here too, a little bit.
PBR.
Confirmation volume push through 115 is what you want to see.
CYBN. TOMZ.
Broda, what up? What up? Don't know if it'll do anything to open, just shopping around. You have 104, okay. Somebody's been looking at trend lines and charts. 104, nice entry there. Nice entry. This is an outlier candle because it's an 8 a.m. Those candles didn't actually happen. You bought right on the trend line. So resistance 115. So nothing's moving crazy at this very second.
NCPL HNST.
What happened? Nvidia bad earnings? Yep, Nvidia knife and hard. That's not good. What happened? That's why Pelosi sold. We knew there had to be a reason Pelosi sold. There it is. There's your reason. Yeah, preliminary. Okay, actually, no. 6.7 billion, estimated 8.38 billion. So it missed by a good amount. Weaker gaming revenue.
Azul.
What did they get for gaming revenue? Like the Nvidia, the in-game overlay thing? That's pretty ugly.
GFI.
So they missed on their gaming revenue. Well, at least they didn't say it was because of cryptocurrency, so it shouldn't kill Mara and all those. Gaming revenue. Okay. Whatever. So this will be eventually a buying opportunity for Nvidia, but they did have worse than expected earnings. They're not going anywhere, though. They're the top tier chip maker. AMD falling on it, though. INTC, I'm sure, falling a little bit on it.
WTRH.
SPY overall is probably falling on it. Yeah, SPY was at 416.5. Mara actually fell a little bit. It may have just fell with the market, though. Is that Tom's play finally catching? No. This is blowing up the scanner for no reason. Get out of here with that BS. ASRT ER took out a massive daily setup. If you can get some volume today, I can confirm it. Exercio.
Yo.
Yeah, this is due for, you know, blow off top day, really, it looks like. Yeah, that'd be nice with volume. I bet Bitcoin's falling back too on the market. Yeah, Bitcoin's pulling back a little bit. 24.
GGB.
What did I do to this?
GLDG. RETL.
Somehow I broke my charts on MEXC. I don't know what I did.
RDFN.
Anywho, yeah, it's back to 24,071. It was all the way up to 24.2. So pulling back a little bit. It's probably going to follow the market. I guess since nothing's going nuts right now, we could do a quick Wordle. What's going to be today's word? I'm going to start out with a wild one. Time. Nope. Okay. Astro's not a word.
FUBO, NRGB, ALRN, CGC, RIDE, AUY, FRO, BTG, ASTS, SNDL, CH, APDN,
Why is the scanner going crazy?
CPRX, GOVN, HCAT, AMTD, CPS, BBAI, GOEV.
Okay. That's not how you spell that.
TMF. GSA.
Where's Fernurky when I need him? THRCN. Yeah, they should go today, I think, based on that Inflation Reduction, Green New Deal. I think it's NIT. Might not be. NXXNIT. Let's try this. So there is a U. Something IT.
GTHX.
What?
TFT.
But is it UIT? That's not a word. That's not a word.
WPRT. HLBZ.
Okay.
BNSO.
Okay, so the U is here.
BDRY.
Or here, so it has to be UN blank IT. Right? UN blank IT. Why can't I figure this out? It can have an I. Yeah, what is this word? Because the U's not here. And the N is not here, so the N has to be here, right? Because the N's not here, so it has to be UN. Is that unfit? Is that what it is? Oh my gosh. Nice job. Looks like my camera decided to zoom back out again for the third time today. Couldn't tell you why it does that. I am unfit for this game after that. I don't know why I couldn't put 2 and 2 together for unfit. That's funny. All right, what do we got?
TWNI. CYBN.
I know, but I am unfit for this game. After not getting that one, I'd have figured it out eventually. I would just have to walk through all the letters in my head to connect that together. So BNSO looks like it's pulled back a little bit.
Azul.
Starting to look a little head and shouldery.
FNHC.
TRHC has range. Okay, let's look. Wally West. Tabula Rasa. Yeah, it does have range. It's got range to 6+. This one just going to go. Looks like a nice daily breakout though, that's for sure. PXS still hit my scanner for some reason. Alright guys, I'm gonna go feed the dogs actually real quick. APDN looks interesting. Okay, yeah, all of the monkeypox ones should be on watch into open too. I'll be right back.
EFTR. VTRS. SMFL. TRHC. RELI, GLDG, AHPI, GOL, UBX, TUEM, ASX, SUNW, NMTR, TKLF, AGRX, SNMP, BIOR, TBLTW, PSLV, HLVZ, YEL, EPM, DETS, APCO,
Yo. What a mess.
XAIR,
Bad ER. Love it. Love seeing that. Bad ER is good, right?
TBLT,
Is TBLT still around? Oh, yeah. TBLT Hive Day. Took long enough. Little trap candle. Trap candle never went lower. Went to the exact 685. Worked its way right back up. So one of those that, you know, can't go higher without trapping, without faking out, without shaking out people that don't want to hold for red.
PBR,
But then it just
CYBN,
walks its way slowly back to a Hive Day. So there it is. Hive Day on TBLT. You got your 740 level to 750. Above that, little peak at 765 and then 8 on the chart. Not saying it's going to all those. And you guys know when I say these things, I'm not recommending anything. This is just what I see from experience. No way is it a recommendation for any of you to buy anything. Yeah, that sucks about news, gold miner. That's tough. That's ugly, ugly, ugly.
RKT,
Cancel their offering. Drop another one. Nasty. Or at least I think that's what you said it was. They canceled their offering.
IBIO, Kava, PDSB,
These clean energy ones,
VXRT.
I'm interested in today too. Yeah, that has been getting positive action. Cancel offering is usually a great run. Tan still up. SPY bounced a little. That must mean Nvidia bounced a little. Yeah. Still down 7%. That's a really bad day for Nvidia.
NAVB. AEI.
HLBZ. Getting close. Getting real close. You still got 104? Win swing trader Brad. Yeah, whenever I see things follow for more than, 2 hours, I think we'll get some swings going. Some overnights going. Maybe some catalyst swings going. I like to see big moves like we have on like HUSA. Remember we had HUSA 150, ran to $18. We've had DPW in the past. Like once these sectors light up, that's when we get some good runners. Yeah, this looks okay here. Looks okay. We got any T2s set up today to push right out the gate for us to have absolutely no entry?
GOGL.
Like that one on Friday. What was that on Friday? MTC, was it?
DVVT.
No. What was the one on Friday that went straight up out the gate? I don't know why I can't think about it.
GRFS.
Is a T2 set up? It was at like 590
KLB.
or 490, went all the way up. Maybe it was this right here? No. What ticker was that? I know AC, you were in it. KSPN. Yep, see, there you go. Knew you were in it. Yes, that one provided no entry at all, but it went straight up and went 5 to 7.
BIOR.
A couple dodgy ones, yeah. KSPN one's really nice. I just expected a little bit of a dip, Yeah, Pats has got a daily setup. Absolutely. Needs through 265.
GERN. RGS.
KSPN, we got it. Okay. Yeah.
CLOB.
Thanks, Steven.
ABEV.
Were you in that one? I don't think you said you were.
GFI.
CGTX. Let me look. So it did have, that is a C2 by technical definition. I hate that the first day, you like to see a bigger mother bar on the first day, but it's got a chance. It's got a chance. It's down today already. Needs to push up through, but yeah, it had a run from 2 to 630, and then it formed an inside bar right here, which easily put it in short sale restricted zone for today. Yeah, that's one to watch. Absolutely. Down a little this morning. I wouldn't chase into it, but watch for maybe action. HLBZ might come off the bottom here right out the gate and push up. We'll see. So we got about a minute and a half to the bell, so we're about to see what happens very soon. Let me flip over. Get the intraday scanners up. why that's not up yet, but it will be up eventually. Yeah, I'm gonna be watching HLBZ, the monkeypox ones. I like Annie as a back burner with Mara and Riot and all that because they had their Bitcoin update today. TOMZ looking weak. TBLT also, it's another one. Hanging out around open. Or hanging out around this zone near open. HLBZ doesn't like to hold its gains. But maybe the shorts will attack it thinking that, and then they'll get squeezed. So we'll see. Yeah, Mondays have been kind of boring, and pre-market was decent this morning, so we'll see. All right, I'm gonna turn the music down just a little bit so I can hear the scanner.
LPLU, DLPN, PHON, INRC, KODRN, LMNSMB, QQLPLU, PSIL, LMPA, WYPHLBTVY, IMH, TWR, FGRDX, THIC,
Oh my gosh. I turned that down for you guys. Oh my goodness. BBBY straight up. Mara pushing up. HLBZ down here to the 50 on the 5. Oh my gosh, the scanner's killing me. Shoot. Jeez. That was a crazy open for the scanner. My gosh. Little bounce off 103 on HLBZ. Actually, it's pushing up now. Do I risk this? Okay, I'm doing 10,000 shares, risking 2-3 cents here for the push up. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Just rated me. Well, there's that. Bed Bath & Beyond going nuts. My goodness. Mara straight up 1575. Market must be squeezing. I'm trying to be patient. I don't like how everything's kind of going straight up at the gate. Oh, Express. Yeah, Express maybe off of BBY. Tom's bouncing a little bit. Yeah, I'm trying to be patient. It's Monday morning. Usually some fake outs. Usually some straight up pops that will trap you in.
SPPP, FAT, SLS, CDRBR, XAIR, WTI, UUU, TUEM, IBLT.
Okay, this selling back off just a little bit. Let's see where SPY's at. I hate to pull up SPY, but SPY's still holding. Mara had an upper wick there. Where's Bitcoin at? Bitcoin's holding 24, pushing higher.
CPIX, KINS, SUNW, CLNE, WWR, BAOS, YCBD, GDXU,
Express 212.
CELU, ABTX, BOXL, NEGG, TOMZ, IGMS,
AMC, yeah, pushing up towards 26.
PARG, TOMZ, SAPS, UROY,
Wow, look at that AMC candle.
SHG News, LXU, TTSH, APYS, CDAT, B, LGO, SIL,
25.75.
MBRX,
Crazy.
HYZN, ISSC, TRN, EPM, NEIRC, TUEM, BETO, SLDP, NCTY, FTCI, GNK, UGPX, SUNW, PWTI,
Bed Bath & Beyond. Let's see.
CMMB,
I just hit it. 1230.
HLB,
AMC halted up.
TGLS, PLG, HYM,
Don't screw me now. Come on.
CELU, TOMZ,
Only took 2,000 shares.
WSR, AP,
Come on.
IBDA, IBDA, HNST, CCN,
Come on.
GRPN,
Okay, scaling. Half. Got 1,000 left.
COS, BRAY, AMYT,
Yeah, AMC's halted up. That's been a long time since AMC's halted up here. BBBY squeezing. 1275, 1280, 1290.
FBIO, WISH, TRB,
1428's the 200 on Bed Bath & Beyond.
CNN,
Man, I should have held 1305 now. Wow. Wow. 1320. Is it going to halt? Is it going to halt? Bed Bath & Beyond halting. Bed Bath & Beyond halting. Let's freaking go, baby. So I got 1,000 shares left here. 1220. Oh, didn't halt. I'm scaling half out right there on the no halt. I'm going to risk. Where do I even risk at? Oh my God, what an explosion. Maybe, I can't even risk there. I've only got 500 shares left out of my 2,000. We'll put up on the 1 minute and see a good stop zone. Maybe lower this candle. I'll do 1250, I guess. Man, what an explosion. Bed Bath & Beyond there. See, so I traded that as a sympathy, try to walk you guys through. Bed Bath & Beyond's been moving on AMC. It was down. It had been up on the day to $12. And they started getting a push. AMC halted. So you play a reactive trade on Bed Bath & Beyond, which is the second simp. And that's how I got this play. So that just stopped me out. It's okay. AMC still halted up. Could still play another reactive trade off of this. Maybe just get 1,000 back in. We'll see. This is honestly the rebuy. I'm taking 1,000 back. I risk 20 cents back here. So AMC. What time did that halt? I don't know why my time and sales isn't showing.
CBAT increased ARAY GNK CNET MNCR
Okay, I'm already up 30 cents on that rebuy.
JEN OLB STEM NT
What time do we unhalt, guys? I'm not seeing it for some reason.
PPSI, TOMZ,
GameStop's halted too.
TLRY, DLTH,
940.46
ARV,
on AMC.
SOS, HLBZ, LMPX, SMSI, HLG, UBM,
So the reaction here is going to be all about the reaction of AMC at open.
VCL,
Hopefully it'll get some buys into that open so I can scale some out. I'll scale out half at 13.
USAU, BBBY, WPRT, BVN,
Come on, quick pop at 13 here.
CNSP, XERS,
I'm going to put it on 12.99.
QTT, CHLT, RIGZ, RPTX,
Yeah, Redbox worth watching too. Good idea, this one.
PCT, MGIC, KLR,
I'm watching too many things right now, but yep, absolutely. Redbox. I think I halted up on the memes the other day.
TRMZ,
So meme stocks are in play right now.
KNDI, Atom, VSTM, NM,
All right, we're struggling a little bit here on Bed Bath & Beyond.
Base, PT, FTC,
AMC should open very soon. This is getting some, I guess, panic sales.
MAG,
Guess I'll move my stop.
KYW, RDI, MHUA, BWEN, PBYI, SEV,
Don't raid me out now, Bed Bath & Beyond. Come on.
HLVN,
It did. It wanted my shares, something fierce.
WTRH, Zyme, BZFD, LMPX,
Okay, AMC open. Okay, I'm back in. AMC push up 26.30. 26.45. Oh, don't do this, Bed Bath & Beyond. Come on. 26.50. Just trading this reactively off AMC right now. Come on, Bed Bath & Beyond. 26.70s. This has got to push up. Come on now. Now AMC's wicking and it's not going to go. You got to be kidding me. All right. So Bed Bath & Beyond got super heavy all of a sudden. Got really, really ugly. I don't know why. I'm still adding back here. I'll risk under 12. AMC 27. 27 break. Bed Bath & Beyond has to go here. And I'm not saying that as advice. Please don't listen. But I don't see how it does not go. If it gets me for 165 out, so be it. I doubled down. Just because AMC is at 27.50. Somebody's attacking Bed Bath & Beyond really hard right now. I don't understand why, really. AMC is absolutely blowing the lid off. Come on, BBBY. If I stop out this time, I'm done with it. I'm flipping off. Yeah, AMC still absolutely blowing the lid off.
ORCC, OPRA, TRVI, HLVZ, Fix, QNRS.
Is this really happening right now?
NLS Ever,
Whatever.
PSYK, ATNX,
Imagine that. Imagine that. What an ugly reactive trade there. So I had the first push up, and then they just turned on algo sell short attack on Bed Bath & Beyond. Really ugly there.
LMPX, SBLK, BTX,
I said I wasn't going to try it again. It's my last one. I promise. Doesn't make any sense what's happening. They may get me one more time.
AAMC, Bach, CLOV, APRN, COGT,
All right, I'm done trying it. Look how ugly that is. This is the type of action that doesn't make any sense. You're playing it off a reactive trade, and it just goes absolutely disgusting. That's nasty. I don't think I'm ever trading Bed Bath & Beyond again after seeing that. Jeez. That is nasty.
FRSX, quote, SPC, BIOC, Wish, BBBY, DOZR, ALF,
Wow, it's still falling. So shorts just attacked Bed Bath & Beyond insanely hard and won big time.
NEGG, CSAN, HLBZ, PT, CDX,
They sent an NEGG now, oh my gosh.
DNMR, STLA, ALRN, ESOA, CENN, MDXG, RIDE, SPPP, NE, AERC, CN, BTCR, ELVM, AFIB, DLT,
AERC on the scanner for some reason.
PH, Loco, IVDA, SILS, BLNS, CGXX, BLTY, SILV, OYST, LGO, HLBZ, Lab,
Wow, Bed Bath & Beyond. That's really frustrating.
HLBZ, SBGI, WE,
Yeah, red box. Everything's just super red, selling short attack volume.
AEI, ALRN,
Ugly, ugly, ugly. Wow.
MSN,
So this is the Monday morning I expected. It took about 10 minutes to hit, 15 minutes to hit, but get back all of that gain on BBBY,
RLTY,
and then everything else is just faking out now. So it's one of those things like you try trades because things are following through, but the only thing following through is one thing,
Top,
and the rest are screwed on. Absolutely destroyed.
GNS, BLTA, Cuba, MDXG, HLBZ, ATI, WWR, POTX, FNTC, BBBY, COGT, BISL, ATNX, AERC,
AERC still on the scanner.
BIOC,
Yeah, I'm not liking what I'm seeing so far today, guys. Hey, what's up, Thomas? Good morning. Welcome in. Couple pushes, but that is it.
SLRX, GBTG,
Top on the scanner, TOP.
TCBP, HLBZ,
That's that Hong Kong one that's supposed to be similar to HKD. I don't know why it's getting volume, though. Maybe somebody's just front loading it.
MSN,
HLBZ went all the way down to 1 out of the pattern and then pushed right back into it. So underneath the pattern, pushed through, now at 115.
Acer,
how much you hate people. Not specifically, but I get it.
TOMZ, even, PNT, Sono, WPRT, IPX, Gree.
So yeah, we had it looked like a good morning setting up, but it was just a classic Monday set up for the traps.
ONVO, TNP, HLBZ,
Is what it is.
C, Ader,
Any on the scanner. Yeah, I cannot believe Bed Bath & Beyond did that. That is just nuts to me.
ATI, SILX, LVLU, PRVB, HNST, RGLS, NE,
Annie was super delayed. I had a little bit of that into open, but didn't do anything.
Gree, AAOI, OLPX, CLMT, CALT, CYBN, HEXO, ALRN, HLBZW, Sono,
Yeah, Apron
OMZ,
grinding its way up.
ATSNFTZ, UBX, BBBY, BKKT, CTOS, HOLA, ATXS, BWEN, ASPS, ME, CGRN, SLGG, HLBG,
Sega falling right now. Spy still pushing up. AMC hanging around.
NISN, GRE, VITL, BAPO, GDRX, BLD,
Trying to find something that's actually followed through this morning. I mean, APRN absolutely is grinding up. But nothing that was really in play this morning is in play now.
BPT,
Momentum-wise, at least.
TOMZ,
Yeah, F-Cell pushing, 455.
SOS, WBX, Big, Gray, Me, CNTB, APRN, BBBX,
Yeah, Pet's got a stick.
HLBZ, FNTC, SLDPW, HJEN, IAUX, AMRN, LVLU, ICAP, ABEO, HEXO,
BBBY still continuing to fade lower.
Scene,
What a trade. I guess I should have just traded the way up and got the heck out. Because it did not bounce at all.
PSQR, AMP, TPVG, CGRN, PFMT, HRTX, ETNB, APRN, BZFD, BBBY,
Apron continuing up.
Psi,
Straight up.
RBZ, VCOF, CHW,
Low volume. Or,
EDAP,
I guess low volume.
CALT, OWLT, LHDX, HLBZW, JATS, LVLU,
Dats on the scanner. Excuse me.
IVDA, RGLS, SST, KNT, CYBN, AEI, KROP, TOMZ, CKPT, DM,
BNSO with the bounce from 10 all the way back to 1150.
UMDD, BIOX, Clues, ALIND, NATR, LVLU,
Yeah, I'm not a big fan of the follow through today. Pre-market was good. Basically just a classic Monday, shot for shot. Have a good week. Pre-market's good. It makes everybody think, okay, this week's gonna be good too, and then they fake you out at open. It should get better throughout the day though. But follow through has not been good so far. BNSO 1165.
DNMR, CELU, me,
Dogs, pets. Is it this kind of day? Yeah, pets is pushing.
GDRX,
Good call on that. Good job.
ANEB, PSNYW, HRTX,
On HLBZ. Yeah, that's annoying. That's frustrating. Sorry about that.
RGLS,
They made it look as bad as possible though.
HLBZ, KLXE, EVGO, CYXI, we, BBBY, BNED, CLDS, NKTX, TGTX, SGC, Big,
Oh, you grabbed it low. I gotcha. Yeah, the market 417.50.
FEDU,
Crazy move on the market.
MAC, TOMZ, Buzz,
Bitcoin pushing back up.
CBP, ONVO,
Market near highs.
BLU, ORJ, BLTA, GAN, UUU, CTXR, UVIBT, SNPX, ICCC, increased, CGRN,
Got afraid 101 wasn't going to keep buying. Yeah, that happens. I mean, sometimes like, it could have flushed. Could have absolutely flushed on you.
RT, AEI, CNTB, FUV, TOMZ,
Waiting on SPI to break 2 and you're done.
HLBZ,
I'm watching Mara on this dip, but it looks like it might dip more.
TLRY, WTI, me, EVCM, ANEB, XLO, MJ,
Oh yeah, Pola too. Pola was one that used to run really nice.
ETNB, GIGE, HEXO, AIM, WPRT, RGLS, IAUX,
TGTX probably a trender. Okay.
TOMZ, GROY, AUTL, CGC, Beat, BBBY, TOMZ,
BBBY. That's what a letdown. That's one of the biggest letdowns of a reactive trade I've seen in a long time. Like worse than GovX.
HLBZ,
And GovX screwed me the other day.
TMCWW,
Ugly, ugly reactive trade.
ALF, CNTB, OPRA, NWL, HJEN, AMTBCH.
TOMZ with the little push, but it's trying to reject. It's got 145K, ask at 148.
TCDP, NATR, HLTH, Woo, 9, TOMZ, ANEB, DNUT, TGB, GIGE, HLBZPRT, PBPB.
Yeah, if Tom's can get through 148, it's got a shot. It looks okay. Doesn't look fantastic, but it looks okay.
Row, Twin, DBD, CNTB, CMBM, CLVR, BBBY,
All right.
SUN, AUTL.
On that note, I think I'm done for the day, for the stream at least. It was a good day. First day of memberships. Thanks for the 2 members. Discipline, Gold Miner. Appreciate it. You guys are awesome. First 2 members of the Inner Circle. Thanks for the likes, the comments. Thanks for hanging here with me. And as always, I'll be right back here tomorrow morning, 8 a.m. See ya.